Whew. It was a good call getting that done when it was sunny and absolutely pouring wet rain, but got that all done. And what's left? All beads are on. All beads on, right down to the last bead, which is good. Need to just fill that out. That's really the last bit of preparation work, is just filling that out. Probably just use a wee bit of, there's plasterboard adhesive there, probably use that just to fill that out. And then, so there's them 2 wee rooms to finish. Half of this kitchen to this point to point. Somewhat done. Reveals done. That wee bit's done, which is good. It's all good. Big landing wall done today, and looking pretty good. Again, all the beads on, and quite a lot skimmed in here. Still that back wall to do. Big wall skimmed. There's no point doing that because there'll be a lot of stuff, like all them banisters would need stripped off. So I think the idea is just leave that. This wall left up here and the sill left to do. Well, again, it's all beaded, filled out because the top had them big pins in it, so sort of filled it on out. Again, all the walls on. Not sure I took a clip of this, but this room all done. It's actually drying out pretty well. I think them thermal boards are doing a great job of actually holding the heat in. And this big room done. We have a lot of cleaning up to do still, as you can see. It's not too messy on the floor. Nothing too dirty, just going to be a quick scrape up really. As you can see, we used the old door, there's all new doors down there, we used the old doors to actually cover up when we're doing stuff and scudding and whatever. But it's just some transformation from this wall was wobbling. Like that frame was just like a shaky tooth, a wee milk tooth ready to come out, and I scudded, floated, skimmed, absolutely brilliant. And this house is looking pretty good. If you ask me, all the walls nice and fresh, and then all their floors will give them a good scrape up, and then I actually think we're going to ply line them, so they'll be nice and tidy as well. But yeah, yes, glad to get the landing wall done. And this absolute nightmare of a thing to work around, sockets and all on it. Had to put a plank from there to the banister to get my heights and them corners. That's actually very, like, I've got pretty good reach, and you can see I'm still a good bit off the top, so in that corner off the plank and looking down wouldn't be a nice fall, but that's us for the day. I think another couple of days and we'll have this all wiped out and nice and clean. So hope you are enjoying this wee video. Again, there'll be plenty more to come, guys, as always. So that's us just wiped out and just sort of fluffed that into there. It's going to be a door built here somewhere. All these walls done. No point doing that wall. Pretty clean. That wall was pretty clean too, but I think he wanted to fix that archive and stuff, so that's that done. Knee patch, don't forget that. Leg done. Everything done and cleaned. Floor all scraped and cleaned. Big lamp wall. Had to touch a wee bit up on it there and got that sorted. The whole room done, wiped out. Quite a bit of stuff left, but sometimes these jobs like this, you are better, looking at it and looking for it, rather running about trying to get a bag or two. Yeah, that wall done. Landing wall done. Probably blind is here, right into the light there. But yeah, every wall done, all feeling good, nice and smooth. It's drying out very well as well. That wall actually was the most awkward. Yeah, I don't know, this one was kind of awkward too. But look at that wall, completely dry. That wall's drying, obviously a bit heavier around beads. Drying there well. And just gonna leave all the windows sort of on the latch one. This wall here is super dry. Nice and smooth. That wall was back to the brick, wobbly. That wall was all wobbly. When you hit that frame, the whole frame is all wobbling, and so some of the bricks, but that's wire mesh in the wall. You can see it sort of drying with wire mesh, that whole area, both sides. I think there was a bit along the top as well. Some of that wall was off, floated, that whole wall was floated and skimmed. It's actually drying pretty well. Oh, there's the door we're using to cover stuff up. That wall all drying pretty well as well. Yeah. So, not too bad, guys. Just sort of washed everything. Floor's all nice and clean. So, that's this one wiped out. And obviously the wall outside. I think I did show you that. But I'll give you a bird's eye view of it. So, big massive wall done. Quite a big wall. Probably took about a ton of stuff. Maybe a bit more than a ton of plastering sand, believe it or not. Again, I think most of that wall was done. One of the last ones done up in this bedroom. But yeah, that's this one all wiped out and cleaned up. Pretty happy. What do you think, guys? It's looking pretty fresh. Nice blank canvas now to get painting on. So yeah, I'd say the joiner's gonna hate us, but we've tried to keep most of them flush for him, so he doesn't have to rebate the artless. But I'm told he can caulk it, so I'm happy as long as they're happy. Again, that frame there it's got a weird pattern around it, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, front door all done around the arch there, and the 4 walls. So yeah, it's all feeling nice and smooth and clean. Again, floors all cleaned, windows cleaned, frames done. The only thing I didn't really clean out some of the satellites because all the lights are live, so don't want to mess about with them. It's not worth it. The electrician's going to have to get them. Don't want to get electrocuted over, especially when I haven't finished the job, no point. So basically just run around here making sure that everything is clean and all tools are took away. But yeah, getting on well now.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.